Over the past 12 years, we've run 102 in-person events, and this year we've pivoted into virtual events, really driven by coronavirus. Learning is really our key focus, and we get you together for conversations. It really wasn't something that I thought would work as well as the in-person events, but having now delivered best part of 20 virtual events, we've realised they can be delivered really successfully. The content will come from you. That's how we run these sessions. It's about having conversations with each other. The critical element has been actually just using breakout rooms, so not having everybody sit in one webinar, but allow them to get into conversation with each other and allow them to discuss where they're going in the future.
Yes, absolutely. It almost feels like I'm laughing at my own jokes. Thank you, Mark. You passed the test. It has been very challenging, but at the same time, it's very interesting to see that we're still able to build connections. We're still able to meet new people and build relationships from a virtual environment.
I was a skeptic. I didn't think virtual would work anywhere near as well as it has. What we quickly realised is the core is about conversation. Just getting the right people together and facilitating them to have conversations with each other. The same as we had been doing for the past 12 years at in-person events was really the critical factor. What we've done with iVentiv is bring sponsors into the same room together with the delegates to show how they are driving the industry forward, and bringing them into these conversations at this time of change has really helped us show their value and continue to allow us to do what we do day to day. Thank you to all of you for sparing the time and for inputting and joining the conversation.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thanks all.
Thank you.